Hey guys, this is Philippos from 3D Natives and welcome to Voices Amplified. We are here at Rapid+TCT 2023 in Chicago, where almost 400 exhibitors are around us. Today we'll get the chance to speak with the exhibitors and learn more about their involvement with the industry and SME. Come join us.
This is the biggest show in the world, in North America, Rapid+TCT, and it's a great platform to introduce our new product, Z Pro.
So we're thrilled to be here. We're actually presenting nTop 4, which is our ability to actually help additive manufacturers take additive manufacturing mainstream.
Well, this time we decided to double the size of our booth. We got our portfolio here with the machines for automated depowdering.
So what are you showing us here?
We are showing all of our 3 materials and 3 different technologies and the launch of our new lattice engine.
Rapid is really one of the main shows for us for the United States. I love to come here. A great audience always.
What is a common misconception you hear about additive manufacturing?
Common misconceptions are that it's not scalable or that it's not manufacturing ready, when in many cases it can be and it is.
Avi, how many Rapid+TCTs have you been to?
For as long as they've been around, even in previous incarnations. I'm an old guy.
Florian, how many Rapid+TCTs have you been to?
It's my first in the US.
And how do you feel?
Really excited, looking forward to this show.
Will you be here next year as well?
Absolutely, we'll be here next year. This is one of our most important trade show events that we participate in every year.
How many Rapid+TCTs have you been to?
I think this is probably my 10th.
One word to describe SME's event.
Incredible. You get the best minds here, the super users, the practitioners, the whole ecosystem is here. Great platform.
It's just awesome, I guess, would be the best way to say it.
One word to describe Rapid+TCT.
Fantastic.
One word to describe the event.
It's really big.
That's 2, but I'll take it. I'll take it. How do you imagine additive manufacturing 20 years from now?
Well, the question is, will I be talking to you or to your avatar?
How do you imagine additive manufacturing in 20 years' time?
To be one of the leading technologies next to injection molding.
I think it will be the next MTS, where we just fill the whole McCormick place. The way the industry is growing is incredible. So.